out, get out, get out, get on the car, get on the car, get on the car, get on the car, get on the car.
Get on the car right now.
It's after my duties. Oh. Kasi kasi kamu din tantamat mo.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
It'd be a good idea to park their car right next to a group of lions trying to relax. Unfortunately, they quickly regret their decision after getting the attention of one of the more curious lions.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know they could do that.
Still in utter shock, they now thankfully decide to lock their doors and proceed to drive away before anything else.
Oh my goodness. Uh-oh, very fast. Hey, 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 hey!
Do not feed the zebras! Do not feed the zebras! It says don't feed the zebras! Oh no! Oh no! It says don't feed the zebras!
No, wait, Julie, Julie,
Do not feed the zebras! Julie! 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 Oh my god! Oh my god! Julie! Julie!
Hey, 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 back, back. Hey, I don't want them. windows cracked?
Huh?
Is it okay that windows cracked?
This one. Window.
The front window.
Oh, y'all should be good. I don't know. I just started working 2 weeks ago.
She like, come on, chocolate daddy, roll down the window.
Yeah, that bitch like, hey, I said stop the car. hey, eat the food.
She like, this car nice, cut. It's the 2020.
Eat the food. I'm not a snack. Not for you. I don't want to feed them.
No, that more. He's huge. Hold on, cuz. No.
Hey, feed him.
That's a big boy.
Stop.
That is a big boy, John. Hold on, cuz. Shit! Oh, hell no, we up.
Bro, look at that big head, bam up there. Stop.
You for real want to stop it?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh my. Hey. Oh, my bad.
Oh shit, Will.
Dang, bro.
I'm sorry. Oh my God.
Hold on,
Oh
John.
my God.
See if he wants some of. Dang, that boy is huge.
Okay. Nope. Oh my God.
Oh, my heartbeat. He like, hey, blood. All right, so because John was so scared, we kind of went through there a little quick.
B.
What?
Did you see him pull off when the packet came out?
Hey, man, we got to do that thing in like 10 minutes.
Look at where we're coming.
John is
good.
And you still feeding, bro. That is not cool. That is not cool. Damn, that's a big ass joint. Take the cup.
Why you throw the cup out so fast?
And look, the buffalo only getting the carrots. They ain't getting this close to me. Look, the buffalo took the whole cup, bro.
You threw it out.
Damn, that's a big ass joint. Take the cup.
Why you throw the cup out so fast?
I didn't throw it out. He took the whole cup, bro.
Threw it.
He took it and then he threw it back in the car.
And you threw it back with your petty ass.
Whoa, don't take the whole cup, cuz. Not the whole cup. He took the whole cup, bro. He took the whole cup.